What's up, everyone, and welcome back to yet another video of Selfie Mondays. And today is the time for episode 5 of this segment. Before beginning that, I really hope that you're following this segment because in this segment, we are working on ourselves, we are working to be a better man and to be a better person. That can be an added bonus. So, with that said, let's get the video started. Today's video, for today's episode, what I have in mind to tell you is, let me just ask you a question before beginning that. Why are we even working on that thing if you're not passionate about it? Right? So, with that said, let's, begin what we have today. Passion. Passion, as described by the dictionary, it means a very strong and an uncontrollable emotion by which they're actually absolutely right. If you're, you know, if that thing is something that you can't stop thinking about it, if you can't stop working on it, that is your passion. And trust me, if you're not passionate about a certain thing and still you're trying to work for it, it will probably, maybe I'm pretty much very sure that it will last for a couple of months. That's it. If you're not passionate about it, you lose the will to work for it. So passion, having that passion, that aggressive passion, if I must say, will actually help you in developing more skills and being more productive for that particular thing. If you're not, and on the other hand, if you're not passionate about that thing, you won't be able to achieve it. Why? Because if you're not thinking about it every second, if it isn't the first thing that comes in your mind when you wake up in the morning, do you really think that that is something you should be working for? That is something that you should be working towards? No. 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 With passion comes the uh, feel, the vibe to work hard, to work with a with certain dedication, with certain motivation. That is what passion brings in you. The love for the work that you are doing right now. That is what passion is. And if that's not something that you're passionate about, it won't last long. You love it today, you might not love it tomorrow. And eventually, everything that you worked for so far will fall apart, will start to fall apart. So, if you're working that hard for something, I suggest you work for something that you're really passionate about. And okay, I'm pretty much sure that most of you may I wasn't sure about what my passion is until a few months back. I wasn't sure about where to work, in which direction to go until a few months back. And I agree that you might be on that stage where you don't know what you actually love and what you actually want to do for the rest of your life. I agree. The solution to that dilemma is to that thing is to try everything and anything you can. Experiment with your life. You have because this is the only time. If you're in your 20s, if you're in the initial 30s, this is the only time that you can experiment on yourself, experiment with your life, experiment on your hobbies, your passion, and trust me, you'll find something that you'll fall in love with. Trust me, you'll find something that you will want to work for. You'd want to wake up every morning if you're experimenting. And trust me, I don't think uh, there is a better way to actually find what your passion is. You have to work on whatever comes in your mind. Be that experiment. Have the courage to start something out of your comfort zone. You won't find a passion just living in your comfort zone. No, passion is something that will drag you out of your comfort zone, will make you pull your socks up, and will make you work hard for it. That is what passion is. Experiment with yourself, experiment with your life. If you want to be a traveler, if that is something that came first in your mind when I said the word passion, go for trips. Start going for trips, and not one trip a year or one trip in 6 months. If you actually want to be a traveler, go on a trip at least every month, at least once in 2 months, not more than that. Why? Because then you'll know what being an actual traveler means. Exploring things, exploring places, getting so many experiences, compiling them in a memory. There's a lot what a traveler does. So if traveling is your passion, start today, start traveling. I agree, not in this pandemic though, but whenever you get time, whenever the shit is over, start traveling. And let's just say if your passion is writing, start writing, start typing. I agree that you might be working. Take some time out for yourself. Write for yourself. Whatever you feel like writing, whatever you want to write about, just write. Just open your laptop, or if you prefer writing by hand, open that diary and start writing. If that is something that you're passionate about, write for 15 days straight, every night, whenever you're done with your work, whenever you're done with meeting everyone in the family. Start writing your experience, create a journal properly, and then you'll know if your passion is that thing. You won't know the passion if by just thinking about it. Traveling may seem very good at first, but there are a lot of things to face while there's not just a happy side of that thing. There will be problems, you'll face some problems, and you should be comfortable with dealing about it. That's what passion is. You can't just fall in love with the good side of that thing and expect that it will actually give something good in return. It will, but you have to learn to deal with the bad side as well. There are drawbacks to everything. So if you're passionate about something, if you think that you're passionate about something, do it and experience it right now. Start doing it today and experience it right now, and you'll know. If you get stuck in a problem, maybe while following your passion, try to face it. And if you are able to face it without any regrets, without falling apart, then you'll know what your passion is. Right? There's a lot I can talk about passion. There's a lot out there on the internet about passion, but there are a million people who will tell you what you should do, but it's your heart, it's your conscious which will tell you what you really like. So start experimenting with yourself, and not just on your professional life. Start experimenting with yourself look wise also. If you are having the same hairstyle for a very long time, change it. If you're having the same beard style for a pretty long time now, change it. Try something really new. So yeah, this episode is totally all about passion. if you have the passion for it, then and only then you should give in the required amount of work. Then and only then you will love to give in the required amount of work. Then and then only then you will be able to sacrifice your sleep for it, or maybe sacrifice anything that comes in the way. If you're not passionate about, there will be chances, there will be situations that will force you and that will push you down, that will force you to fall apart if you're not passionate about it. So find your passion, experiment with yourself, and I'll wrap up this video here. This was a one shot video. I'm pretty much very glad. I didn't know I can do that. I could do that, but yeah, I'm very happy because this is something, if you're following Selfie Mondays, this is something that you should really keep in mind. If you're following every episode of Selfie Mondays, passion is one of the most important thing in that series. It doesn't mean if the episode is 5, if the episode is 6, that doesn't mean, this isn't in descending order. The first episode was about the most important. No, every episode of this segment, Selfie Mondays, is equally important. So I'd really love if you're just let me know if this is helping you, because I'm trying my best here, and I'd really love if it's helping you. I'd really love to have some feedbacks about it. So yeah, I'll wrap up this video here, and I'll leave you with a thought that life is too short to not know what your passion is. Life is too short to do boring shit. Life is too short to do the same thing every day. So experiment with yourself, find out what your passion is, work hard for it, and tell me if you're happy, and tell me if you achieve